How to fix .NET Framework installation error 0xc8000222. Select Turn Windows features on or off. Next, enable .NET Framework 4.8 Advanced Services and press the plus icon next to it. Make sure to enable ASP.NET 4.8 as well. Click OK. If that didn't work, link in description. Now try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, the Windows Update Troubleshooter is designed to find and automatically fix issues with Windows Update. It can resolve errors by resetting network settings, clearing update caches, and fixing corrupted update files.